Baby.
Jake, be sure you don't squish the baby.
Huh?
What's he doing? Is he smiling at you? Make sure you don't squish him. What are you telling him, huh? Max is trying to get the banana. Jake is trying to squish the baby. Jake's got banana in both hands. What you eating for breakfast? Dennis? Nice brotherly moment. There's the big baby.
Mama.
What's up, Jakey? and there's Jake. What are you doing? Everybody say good morning.